Alright, welcome to another face-to-face Forex Killers update. Snipe that like button. Let's get those comments going. Look guys, I did a fair bit of serious high time frame analysis over the weekend on my Sunday, I believe. Was it Sunday night? Could have been Sunday night or Monday night. Could have been last night, I'm not sure. Anyway, I think it was Sunday night. It was Sunday night. So I had a look at the market, and look, I just want you to guys to, if you haven't watched my last two videos, then jump on and watch them, right? One was a face-to-face like this, talking about what, you know, market sentiment, where I thought it was going, how it was looking on the higher time frame, and you know how I was going to trade it, right? And then you know, a lot of that's played out perfectly, really. Majors really rolling on down. So you know, tricky getting in on trades the way they played it. Got a few, but they certainly made it difficult. But the advice was not to be taking any long setups, or anything other than scalp longs, right? And that's proven true to the fullest extent. So, you know, check that out, and then check out my clip from this morning on where I think the market was going today. So we've already had a clear market movement on DXY, following what I outlined just in that video this morning. And I just wanted to sort of discuss a couple of other things, because I'm probably not going to get time. I want to do a big high time frame live with the guys in the Discord. So if you guys do me a favor, comment on this video on YouTube for me, and let me know when you guys want to do a live, and we can look at some higher time frame, take some chart requests, etc. So get on email and ask me what you want. But look, you know, there's I just wanted to probably discuss. I'll probably just discuss just the DXY and EU, and you know, obviously correlated majors. And then I just wanted to talk about silver and gold, because I didn't cover them in my video this morning. So DXY, to me, it's we've obviously all had that all that good fundamental data on it. You know, inflation news is the inflation numbers are still up. So you know, subsequently, you think more of the same monetary policy, you know, increasing rates potentially and things like that. So, you know, that coupled with the jobs report and different things like that. So there's been a lot that has been positive data for USD, and you know, the structure from last week didn't play how I expected. I expected a tag at the low. I think I outlined that in my last video just gone. And so that made things a little bit complicated, wanting that last hit, not getting it. But you know, effectively we're still going to that same level that I called from the prior video about a week ago or 9 days ago, and that is up to 106. All right, so that's the next level I'm looking at. We're going up to 106. I'll have more precise numbers when it's getting up there, and you know, coupling it with a news event potentially, you know, almost always for the reversal. And you know, EU getting down to that below that 105 level that I called for back in that other video, and then other majors have been rolling over. So you know, everything's been going pretty well on point, really. So it's just about on that higher time frame. You know, it's easy to, well, generally easy if you know what you're doing and you keep it simple. It's easy to know where the market's going, right? But I just got someone calling me. They're gone. Okay, cool. But it's generally harder to pinpoint your entries, right, or not get stopped out. That can be the tricky part. So you know, this year's been great. You know, as I've said multiple times, last week was a slow week. So we let the market recover, because we've been killing it like every week. I've just been like stomping its head in. So, you know, we gave them a bit of respite for the Forex Killers. but now we're looking to crush them some more. So, you know, I see DXY and, you know, EU, for instance, like, so EU's latest high and DXY's latest DXY's latest high rather, and EU's latest low. They haven't given me any reversal pattern. I haven't seen a reversal pattern, right? So as far as I'm concerned, you know, and I outlined this in the video this morning, it's sell the rally on EU and it's buy the dip on DXY. You know, if I don't have a particular level that a critical level or a you know, a critical bit of data, fundamental data, couple that with the fact that there's no structure, reversal structure, there's just no reason for me to believe that the bottom is in for EU and the other majors, and that the top is in for DXY. Okay, and so that's why, you know, just check out my last video. I outlined the DXY move that I'm expecting. Obviously, can be invalidated, and you know, we'll just play it way by way. But that's totally what I'm expecting now, is just buy the dip and looking for buy setups on DXY and sell setups on majors. All right, so I think that covers that. I will go into silver and gold. Silver to me is getting to investment level buys. Okay, we had, if you check out my video, I think it's my third video in my YouTube list. I believe it's the third, or it could be the second or third, right? And I did a DXY, a gold and silver analysis, okay? And I said that both of them were looking very toppy. They were both, you know, I ran through it. Go have a look at that, all right? Then we nailed the top on gold, and, you know, basically nailed the top on silver as well. So that sell's been going great. And then it's getting to a point where I'm getting ready to buy, right? Investment level kind of buys. And so why is that? Well, there's a few reasons. I want to do it on a chart. So, you know, again, guys, if anyone's interested in that, please comment, jump into the Discord, and we can do a live, and I can go through it. But, you know, silver's getting this really great retrace. So is gold, and, you know, from this big move up. And silver's currently retesting a kind of a 3-day breakout level, coupled with a monthly retest, something or rather going on there. I remember looking at the chart. So, you know, it's come down. You know, it's got the potential to hit the golden zone. It's just off that at the moment. I think that's down around what is it, 20.38, maybe, something like that. And it's sitting at about 20.58 at the moment. But you know, that's really looking, it's getting to me that I'm going to be looking for the reversal structure, okay? So that's what I'm looking for. So I don't go, oh, we've taken out a low, I'm just going to buy my investment level. No, I'm not going to do that, okay? Because I need to see a reversal structure, okay? I don't think price is going to go down and then just shoot up like, you know, the COVID jump or anything like that, all right? So I'm going to look for the reversal structure, and then I'm going to, you know, get the best buy I can get, and buy some silver. So I think we're really looking at that, and targets are over 30 or something like that. It's a big wave coming. So I've got a flat going on the higher time frame. Anyway, so that's that. Gold, not as I haven't got my head around gold as much. I didn't do as much analysis on it, but you know, couple it with silver in terms of, you know, we're doing a retrace here, and we're going to be looking for reversal signals, right? Now, silver can obviously hold at a level and maybe set up a reversal structure, whilst gold can dump some more, right? But you're not really going to have silver going up and gold dumping, all right? That almost never happens. So I'm not looking for anything like that. All right, so gold and silver basically looking at the same thing, but gold certainly has potential to go lower, whereas silver still lower, but not as far as gold, in my opinion. All right, so that's those two covered. Yeah, go and check out my last two videos, right? They're important. And then if you're interested in gold and silver, and you want to you know, you want to back test what I'm saying, or just see if I'm honest, then go check out that gold and silver analysis, and chuck a comment on that video, chuck a comment on this video, and I'll endeavour to do my best and get you know, jump in the Discord, and we'll do a live, and we can cover all that in some detailed analysis, and I can show you what I think, and you can tell me what you think, and if you're looking at a level, I can tell you how to get a good entry at that level, etc. So, all right, appreciate it, guys. Drop a comment, subscribe if it's the first time, and you know, yeah, spike that like button with a pitchfork. Cheers.